Imagine a practice so powerful that it can transform your life from the inside out, bringing a sense of peace and clarity that you may have never experienced before. This is the promise of Ho'oponopono, an ancient Hawaiian prayer for healing and forgiveness, deeply rooted in the traditions and wisdom of the Hawaiian people. Passed down through generations, Ho'oponopono offers a path to inner peace and harmony, guiding individuals to reconnect with their true selves and their community. It is a way to let go of past hurts, forgive ourselves and others, and create a more positive future, free from the burdens of resentment and anger. The word Ho'oponopono translates to make right or to correct an error, emphasizing the importance of rectifying our mistakes and restoring balance. It is based on the belief that we are all interconnected and that our actions and thoughts impact not just ourselves, but the entire world around us. Our thoughts and actions have a ripple effect on the world around us, influencing the energy and harmony of our environment. When we harbor negativity or hold on to resentment, it creates disharmony within ourselves and in our relationships, leading to a cycle of pain and conflict. Ho'oponopono provides a way to restore balance and create a more harmonious existence, allowing us to live in alignment with our true nature. At its core, Ho'oponopono is about taking responsibility for our own happiness and well-being, recognizing that true change begins within ourselves. It teaches us that true healing begins within, and that by healing ourselves, we contribute to the healing of the world. By practicing Ho'oponopono, we can release the negative patterns that hold us back and step into a life filled with love, joy, and abundance, embracing the fullness of our potential. This ancient practice is not just a prayer, it is a way of life, inviting us to live with intention and mindfulness. It invites us to approach every situation with love and compassion, seeking forgiveness and understanding, and fostering a sense of unity and connection. In the following sections, we will explore the 4 key phrases of Ho'oponopono and delve deeper into its transformative power, uncovering the profound impact it can have on our lives. At the heart of Ho'oponopono lie 4 simple yet profound phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. These phrases form the foundation of a powerful Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness. These phrases are not meant to be directed at another person, but rather they are spoken to ourselves, to the divine, or to the situation we seek to heal. They serve as a bridge to mend the broken pieces within us. I'm sorry acknowledges the hurt that has been caused, whether intentionally or unintentionally. It is the first step in taking responsibility for our actions and their impact. It is an expression of remorse for any actions or thoughts that have contributed to the disharmony. This acknowledgement opens the door to healing. Please forgive me is a plea for release from the burden of guilt and shame. It is a humble request to be freed from the weight of our mistakes. It is a recognition that we are not perfect and that we all make mistakes. This phrase helps us to embrace our humanity and seek compassion. Thank you expresses gratitude for the opportunity to learn and grow from the experience. It shifts our focus from pain to appreciation. It is a recognition that even in difficult situations, there are always lessons to be learned. This gratitude transforms our perspective. Finally, I love you is an affirmation of our own worthiness and the inherent goodness that resides within us all. It is a declaration of self-love and acceptance. These 4 phrases, when repeated with sincerity and intention, have the power to shift our perspective and create profound healing. They are a mantra for inner peace. They allow us to let go of the past and move forward with a renewed sense of peace and clarity. Embracing these phrases can transform our lives and relationships. One of the most important aspects of Ho'oponopono is the emphasis on personal responsibility. This does not mean blaming ourselves for everything that goes wrong in our lives. Instead, it is about recognizing that we have the power to choose how we respond to situations. When we take responsibility for our own happiness, we stop looking outside ourselves for validation or blame. We understand that we are the creators of our own reality. This empowers us to make changes in our lives that are in alignment with our highest good. Ho'oponopono encourages us to look within and identify the areas where we may be contributing to our own suffering. By acknowledging our own role in creating our reality, we can begin to make different choices that lead to greater peace and fulfillment. The concept of karma is central to many spiritual traditions. It suggests that our actions have consequences, both positive and negative. When we engage in harmful thoughts or behaviors, we create negative karma. This negative energy can weigh us down and prevent us from experiencing true happiness. Ho'oponopono offers a way to cleanse ourselves of negative karma. By repeating the 4 phrases with sincerity, we are essentially asking for forgiveness and releasing the energetic ties that bind us to past mistakes. This process of karmic cleansing is not about dwelling on the past or punishing ourselves for our mistakes. It is about acknowledging the past, seeking forgiveness, and moving forward with a clean slate. As we release the weight of past grievances, we create space for more love, joy, and abundance to flow into our lives. Ultimately, Ho'oponopono is about soul healing. It is about recognizing that we are spiritual beings having a human experience. When we approach life from this perspective, we understand that our true essence is love. The practice of Ho'oponopono helps us to reconnect with this inner love. By extending forgiveness to ourselves and others, we allow love to flow more freely through us. This process of soul healing can be transformative. It allows us to experience greater levels of peace, joy, and compassion. As we heal our own wounds, we also contribute to the healing of the world around us. Finding peace within, the benefits of Ho'oponopono. The practice of Ho'oponopono offers numerous benefits, both for individuals and for the world as a whole. This ancient Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness is a powerful tool for personal and collective healing. By releasing negativity and embracing forgiveness, we create a ripple effect of positivity that extends far beyond ourselves. This ripple can touch the lives of those around us, fostering a more harmonious and compassionate community. Some of the key benefits of practicing Ho'oponopono include increased peace and tranquility. As we let go of past hurts and resentments, we experience a sense of inner peace that we may not have thought possible. This inner calm can lead to a more balanced and centered life, improved relationships. By practicing forgiveness and compassion, we can heal broken relationships and create stronger, more loving connections with others. This can lead to more meaningful and fulfilling interactions with the people in our lives. Enhanced emotional well-being. Ho'oponopono helps us to regulate our emotions and respond to challenges with greater grace and resilience. This emotional stability can improve our overall quality of life. Greater self-awareness. By taking responsibility for our own happiness, we develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. This self-awareness can lead to personal growth and a more purposeful life. These are just a few of the many benefits that can be experienced through the practice of Ho'oponopono. The journey of self-discovery and healing is unique to each individual. As you integrate this ancient prayer into your life, you will likely discover many other ways in which it enhances your overall well-being. Embrace the practice and watch as it transforms your life in beautiful and unexpected ways. The simplicity of practice integrating Ho'oponopono into daily life. One of the most appealing aspects of Ho'oponopono is its simplicity. You don't need any special equipment, training, or rituals to practice it. You can simply repeat the 4 phrases anytime, anywhere, and as often as you like. Here are a few ways to integrate Ho'oponopono into your daily life. Repeat the phrases silently throughout the day. Whenever you notice yourself feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, take a few moments to silently repeat the 4 phrases. Use Ho'oponopono during meditation. Incorporate the 4 phrases into your meditation practice as a way to cultivate forgiveness and compassion. Write the phrases in a journal. Take some time each day to write the 4 phrases in a journal, reflecting on their meaning and how they apply to your life. The key is to find a way to practice Ho'oponopono that feels natural and comfortable for you. The more you integrate it into your daily life, the more you will experience its transformative power. A universal prayer, extending love and forgiveness beyond ourselves. While Ho'oponopono is often used for personal healing, it can also be extended to others. We can practice Ho'oponopono for our loved ones, for strangers, and even for difficult people in our lives. When we extend love and forgiveness to others, we contribute to the healing of the world around us. we create a ripple effect of positivity that can have a profound impact on the lives of others. Remember, we are all connected. When we heal ourselves, we heal the world. By practicing Ho'oponopono, we can create a more peaceful, loving, and harmonious existence for ourselves and for generations to come. Embark on your journey. Embrace the power of Ho'oponopono. Ho'oponopono is a powerful tool for personal transformation and spiritual growth. It is a reminder that we have the power to choose love and forgiveness, even in the face of adversity. By embracing the principles of Ho'oponopono, we can heal our past wounds, cultivate inner peace, and create a brighter future for ourselves and for the world. I encourage you to explore the practice of Ho'oponopono and discover its transformative power for yourself. You may be surprised by the profound impact it can have on your life. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and embrace the healing power of Ho'oponopono.